Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi everyone, I am Hassam Saeed from gsheets.com, and today I am going to show you how to use Google Sheet import range function, and how using import range function you can synchronize your different sheets. And apart from that, I will also show you how to do two-way synchronization. So this is my first sheet which I have created with some dummy data. For example, you have two different teams. Your first team is taking the order, and your second team is delivering that order to the customer. So what you will want to do is that you want to update your team 2 about all the new orders which team 1 is getting. And once they have received the order details, they will make the delivery, and you want to inform your team 1 about the status of the order. So this is our first sheet, and the easiest way to synchronize this is to use import range function. And let me show you how you can use import range function here. So first of all, I want to send this data to sheet 2. So I will come to the sheet 2, and I will type the formula. For that, I will type is equal to, and then I will type import range, and then I will open parenthesis. So next argument is to provide the spreadsheet URL. You can provide spreadsheet URL, or you can even simply copy this specific sheet ID that is between these slashes, these two last slashes. So I will copy it, then I will start inverted commas, and then I will paste the spreadsheet key, and then I will close the double quotes. After that, I have to provide I will put comma, and after that I have to provide the spreadsheet range from which I am importing the data. So here is the name of the sheet. I will copy it, and the data which I want to show in my other sheet is from column C to F. So I will come here, I will put double quotes, then I will paste the sheet name, and the sheet range was column C to F. So C2 to F will be the range, and then I will simply press enter, and as you can see, it have fetched the orders details. So whenever I will put new data, let's say I put a new data CL20 test customer, or customer test address order 20 and test order. So when I will go back, as you can see, the new order have been updated. So we have done one-way synchronization right now. Now we will do two-way synchronization. So when our team 2 have received the order, they will simply update the delivery time and order status. So once this is updated, we want to show the status to team 1 here. So we will follow the same procedure which we've used for this sheet. We will now use here. So I will type is equal to import range. This time I will go quickly, as you already know how to do that. So I will simply copy the key, I will paste it here, then I will copy the sheet name, and the range is E to F. So I will paste it here, and I will simply complete the function, and then I will press enter, and it have imported the range. So let's say delivery time is equal to now. Sorry, I will change the formatting, and then order stated delivered. And as you can see, it have done two-way synchronization. So whenever I will update this sheet, the status will be updated here. So in this way you can easily synchronize your two different sheets. However, there is one problem with this solution. And that problem is that, for example, let's say I want to, for some reason I want to add a new column here. Let's say delivery person. The problem is that the column is moved from E to F, and similarly order status is moved from F to G. So as you can see, the problem can be seen here, that in other sheet order status is changed to delivery time, and we are unable to see order status here because we have changed the column sequence. So for that we have to come up with some other solution. In my next part of the video I will show you how to do that.